2 feet deep, 15 feet wide, 20 feet, 26 foot long. I am putting a semi in-ground pool, so pretty much it's like the above ground pool, but it could be buried 2 feet in the ground. Well, it's been a week. My third day out here because it rained really bad. So now I got maybe 10 inches of water on this side of the pool. You can see that it is a slope because it is leading down to this side. Alright, so this is current status. We leveled out this part pretty much. Down there still needs a little bit of leveling, but majority of it's leveled. We're gonna tamp it down. We'll wet it a little so that the mud could kind of like not clump together with the gaps and maybe fill some of the little gaps. Tamp it down again. Let it dry for a couple days. Get nice and hard all over again. Order the sand. Yesterday was pretty much a blur. Oh, yesterday was fixing these uprights. And then, what else did we do yesterday, Sherelle?
I don't know.
Yesterday was a real blur. I don't know what else we did yesterday. But today, we came back and I realized that my hole is not big enough. So today, we had to dig further into the ground to make this work. Ideally, it should work out fine, but this is flat, straight. I got the paver stone back there. Gotta do it 3 more times. That part will be done. Then we'll start attaching the brackets to make this oval. Cheryl's clearing up some more dirt where I miscalculated. So we're doing that. I don't know. It's a lot of hard work. When you ain't got no money, you gotta do all the work yourself. You just gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Okay, so this is the current progress. I put gravel over there to kind of make it a little firmer in that area, just because it was a little low. And I didn't want to do too much sand, so I just did some gravel before I put sand down. So I did that. Starting to get these guys squared off to this and to that. I have to clean up over there a little bit before I can attach that piece. But ideally today, my goal is to get all the sand inside here so that by tomorrow I can start putting up the walls. But it definitely is hard work. So I am saving a good bit of money, but it just depends if you have the time to get it done. I mean, it would have been easier with a round pool, but you gotta do what you gotta do. But let's do. So the current status is the walls are up. Got the panel in. I just have to tighten the bolts over there. I have to add some more sand to the bottom. We got it up. It is definitely something that you should do with multiple people, at least 2 people, to get the walls up because it is heavy. Cheryl had to leave to go to her mother's house for her mother's birthday, so I did it myself. What I did was I bought 10 of these 5-foot stakes. You can see it right there. Bought 5 of those. I bought 10 of those, and then 10 clamps. And I pretty much just went around the perimeter of the pool where I knew I was going to go, and I just kind of hammered them in. And as I was unraveling the wall, I would then clamp it so it could stay in place. You also use duct tape to duct tape the body to the actual posts that are up there already. So that was pretty solid. It was a pain in the ass, I'll tell you that. Definitely was a pain. Alright, well here we are now. Another day. Finally got the sand in. Pounded it down. Trying to smooth it out as best as possible. Shrell's out here. We got that kit in there. Ideally we should be doing alright, but it's work. I haven't been filming a lot. Last thing I filmed was putting the liner in, which I did bad and had to do it like 3 times, which extended the project out for like 2 weeks because I didn't realize there's a special way to install the liner by going from one side like in like a star pattern. So when I was doing it, I just went around and it made it too small, and then it pulled the walls out, the brackets. It was just miserable, man. But I figured it out. I got that all in there. Sherelle and I spent maybe, today is Tuesday. We started on Thursday backfilling, Thursday or Friday. And we've been backfilling by hand the past 3 or 4 days. And we got it all out. You guys, I'm about to show you a picture of how much dirt was here before. And now you guys are going to see what it looks like now. But the pump is in, everything, the water's running. I just have to balance the water, the salt's in there, the salt generator's going. I just got to get an electrician to run power over there because right now I'm just running extension cord. I used all the extra dirt around to level the yard as much as possible because the yard was really sloped. It's not fully leveled because I still want some type of slopage and drainage, but I definitely did my best to level it out. Then I'm about to order some new sod. I'm just gonna lay down new sod. In 2 days, on Thursday, I have a concrete guy coming to extend a concrete patio to the end of the house with a walkway down to the pool and a wraparound. I have the wood over there so I could make the steps for the ladder. We did a lot of it by hand. The plan was to save as much money as I possibly can and spend money on stuff I can't avoid spending money on, which is pretty much going to be the sod, which is only like $600. And cement work, which is about $3,000. It's just easier to have them come out instead of me wheeling bags and bags of cement back here and taking 3 months to extend it all out. They'll do it in 2 days and it'll be good to go. But we're good. We're good. The pool is officially done. We got somebody to come do the concrete around the pool, a little walkway, extend the patio. We got brand new sod over there. We got some border, some trim border going on. We got some rocks over here. We got some fresh mulch. We got plants being planted. But most importantly, the pool is done.